Weather alert, what we can expect as we make this transition from this rainy day to, at least for some people, a snowy day. Peter?
Well, that's true. We're going to actually all end with some at least wet snow this evening before we transition over to, at this time of year you have localized lake effect. I think with a west to southwest wind, this is going to be mainly a western and northern New York thing, but since the wind is so strong tomorrow, some parts of central New York will actually get some lake effect off of Lake Erie. So let's discuss. Let's go about those important impacts. First things first. The regular rain we have now will end as regular snow this evening. A quick slushy coating to an inch or two possible, especially on vehicles and lawns and trees, and maybe a little something on the roads. Just be aware late tonight through tomorrow morning as temperatures go below freezing, there may be some localized icy spots underneath any snow. Just be aware of that. And then we go to the wind. Wind starts picking up a bit tonight with wind gusts to 30, but as high as 40 to 45 in Syracuse, maybe even 50 miles per hour near Lake Ontario shoreline and over the highest elevations. Up next, Lake Erie snow. Let's talk about that first, because if central New York gets any snow Thursday night and Friday, meaning let's say Route 31, the thruway, or points south, it's going to be from Lake Erie, believe it or not. Across northern Finger Lakes and Syracuse or around parts of our area, there's a chance of an isolated 1 to 4 inch amount or so during the day Thursday, as we'll show you. The Lake Ontario snow, that's going to be mainly well north of Syracuse and actually probably north of Route 49. There'll be some isolated totals of 1 to 3 feet or more, as I'll show you. So let's get to it. By 8 o'clock, even though it's raining right now, it'll likely be snowing and then exiting, but still temperatures borderlines. That's why we're not going to see really that much this evening. The winds pick up. We actually get some partial clearing. Already you see some of those snow showers coming in off of Lake Erie here, and Lake Ontario snow bands will be a little bit disorganized late tonight through tomorrow. But there's that thin band coming all the way off of Lake Erie, which will be strong near and south of Buffalo. But then as it comes across parts of central New York and temperatures are below freezing, don't be surprised if there's a brief light accumulation out of that. Just be aware of that. And then by Thursday mid-afternoon, here's where the snow gets stronger, northeast and east of Lake Ontario. First things first, new snow. This does count anything that happens this evening through the day tomorrow. I have a feeling that most spots will probably end up with a coating to an inch or two, but wherever that Lake Erie band crosses, now I've got it right in this area, this is the best chance of 3 or more inches of snow. I will caution you, this might be a little further north or south than what I have here. I'm just trying to indicate that someplace in and around a very thin amount of areas we'll see 3 inches or more. And then the lake snow bands up north. Take a look at this map. I had to throw a lot of colors on the map here. So this includes already everything through 5 p.m. and then through 7 p.m. Friday. So really the heavy lake effect snow you're seeing way up north, a lot of this, and the majority of this is strongest Thursday afternoon, Thursday night, and Friday. Note the colors for 12 inches plus, 24 inches plus, and yes, somewhere, maybe Barnes Corners again, or maybe a little further south, we'll probably get 36 inches or more. In central New York Friday, while snow is happening up north, it's mostly sunny. It's also mostly sunny Saturday, increasing clouds Sunday, some light snow and light rain late Sunday through Monday. Stanley lost skywatts, still raining in downtown Syracuse. You can brighten holiday season for a child in need. CNY Central, the United States Marine Corps Reserve, are once again preparing for our Toys for Tots campaign. And guess what? Our drive-through is tomorrow from 5 to 6:30. Hope to see you there, back inside.